So today I want to go over the Amazon ratings for this product. At the bottom of the page, there will be ratings for each category, for each feature. I'm going to test each and every single one of them out to see if they should be higher or lower in terms of the ratings. First up, we have easy to use, which is, I don't know why the score is like 3.6, why it's so low, because it's very easy to use. The only thing you need to do is at the two buttons down here, this is for the restart and this is for the actual moving the actual thing inside. I can see people being confused because they might think this is the restart, so this button you press to actually, for it to restart in there and to come back, but that's not actually what it does. What this does is resetting the number here. You click this button for the rake inside to actually move. So I click on it. And as you can see, the thing is moving in there. You can hear the sound as well. If you wanted to stop at any time, press it again, it'll automatically stop. As you can see, there's a number 86 on here, and that's because it has gone back and forth 86 times. And I find this easy because I don't actually have to do anything. It will automatically trigger this thing when the pet has used this. Because my cat has been gone for a while, this number has stayed 86 for weeks because no one has gone in there, even the power has been on the whole time. So this isn't working off a timer. I'm assuming it's working off of some pressure or sensor in there that once it knows a cat has went in, then it kind of redoes this thing. So it is smart in that way, so it doesn't use electricity or movement when it doesn't need to. So I gotta bump this up to like maybe a 4.2. I'm not too sure why it's so low because this is a pretty easy product to use. Next is easy to remove and easy to clean. They're both around the same thing. So I'm gonna combine them into one feature. They're around like 3.5 right now. So basically what you do to clean this thing is you gotta pop this top off. Could be a little bit troublesome to get off, but all you gotta do is lift it with some pressure. There should be some click that you hear, and that is all off. Next, what you do is you take this entire piece off. This is the cardboard litter box right here. So all you gotta do is just put this aside, and now you can empty the litter. The litter usually compiles all in here, so it's kind of remained out of sight, out of mind. So you can scoop out all the litter here, scoop up all the poop so you can reuse the litter, or you can empty it all, put this pad back, and it's good as new. And as you can see, there are instructions here to basically dispose of this entire box. And that's how they sell you more and more boxes. So you keep you as a paying customer. But from my experience, you don't need to do that because this is not just cardboard. There is a little bit of plastic coating on here. So this is a bit more resistant to the environmental debris right here. So you can very easily toss the litter, put a new litter box, put litter into this box and reuse this box for like as long as you